If you guys also shop online like I do pretty much all the time, you probably know like how much restraint you have to have not to open a package when it arrives. So I'm super proud of myself because I kept like this box in the corner because I wanted to sit down and do it together with you guys. I've been so tempted for the past few days. How long it's been that I have the box? I think like 4 days. And finally we're gonna do this little unboxing. I have not done one in a while, like a proper first impression review unboxing video. And I love doing those. I know you guys enjoy them as well. So we're gonna do that in a second. But first, let's clean up this little guy. We're gonna do this. Let me see how I'm gonna. And unfortunately the logo is like embossed so you can't even read, but it's a Polene bag. I ordered myself another Polene bag. I really enjoyed the one that I have. It's such a cute little bag. What I love about that one and why I wanted to order another one from the same brand, it's how like lightweight it is. It's very structured and the leather is really like high quality leather, but it's very lightweight. And sometimes some of my favorite brands like Celine, unfortunately, I think Celine and Chloe, in my experience, are like the heaviest bags. They usually use that very like thick, sturdy leather, which looks gorgeous and it's so nice and like luxurious feeling, but it's also very heavy and not so practical. So I always gravitate towards like my Louis Vuitton bags or just bags that are a lot lighter. Polene bags, really nice quality, really good leather, but they are very lightweight. So I have been seeing this bag everywhere on my Pinterest and Instagram. You can see like which styles of bags become like an instant hit based on like how much they're worn and photographed. So this bag has been everywhere, like in my face since it was launched. And almost everyone that I follow on social media has it in some style and version. So I finally caved and I ordered one for myself. I think I have one other bag in this color and it's like a very popular, very standard, very classic, common color, but I just never buy anything in this color and I've been craving it for fall and winter. I think it's so cute. And also now that I'm moving to Florida, I feel like I'm gonna wear this color more than black because sometimes I feel like black is just very heavy for like sunny, warm weather climate. So without further ado, oh, the packaging, it comes in a box like this. I'm gonna take out the box once maybe now I can. Oh yeah, I can do it now. Probably I should watch my old video when I unboxed the first one that I got a few years ago. I don't remember if they changed the box or anything. Another thing I love about Polene is how like luxurious and well thought everything is, and just the whole feeling when you open the box and like the paper they use, the way it's packaged, you definitely feel like you're buying like a high-end designer luxury item, and it's a lot more affordable. So I really love that about this brand. I think that's why it got so popular, because people just appreciate this with affordable brands. So let's open it up. Oh, it's not packed in the dust bag. The dust bag is just like laying over. There's like a little card, I guess, care or instructions or whatever. Yeah, it's like the instructions of like how to, like all the ways you can use the bag. And ta-da, here it is. I don't really know how to pronounce the name of this bag. Cyme or Cyme or Cyme, I don't know how you pronounce. So this bag comes in 2 sizes, the regular and the mini. I was very torn which size to get, and I went for like the mini. It's clearly not like super small bag, but the regular one is more like your big like carry-all tote bag. It's pretty big, and I was just not sure how much I would wear it, so I went for the mini size. Now let me like take a look at the bag, because this is my first impression as well, and so far it's very lightweight, what I expected and what I wanted. So the shape, I believe, yeah, here it is. I think this is how most people are carrying it, so you can like extend. I think now, because it's like filled with paper, let's take this out. Okay, it comes with like paper and a couple of these, which I suppose were protecting the corners. Oh, it also has a little pouch inside. I was not aware that it comes with this. This is convenient. It's definitely, even though this one is smaller, it has the same like feel of that like open tote bag. So they added the little pouch because there are no compartments inside. And let me try and like, okay, first thing, I'm kind of struggling to make it like more trapeze shaped. Okay, so there are magnets here on each side that help you maintain this shape of the bag, which I kind of prefer. I mean, I think it's also very cute when you do like this and you put these inside and then it's more like this. But I wanted to carry it this way because I really like this shape. I think it's very particular. Also, then you can see these little strands on the side, which I don't know if they have a purpose. I think they look like they're adjustable, like they have holes in them. What for? I have no idea. I think I should look at this leaflet and check like how you're supposed to use this bag. What's the purpose of these? So it seems like these have some sort of a purpose. Like you open it up like this. Oh, you can kind of like close it this way around by opening these and then like pulling them inwards, crossing them over. Oh, and then you close it here because there is this little, you see? Wow, this is a lot of work and I don't think I am ever going to do this. I can tell you that right away. Okay, so I see like this. Let's do it for the sake of the video, but I don't think I will ever be doing this because it's just like not practical. Can you guys see what I did? So I crossed these little things and then the bag is like cinched in on this side. So it remains this shape. Wow, this is a lot of work and I don't think I will be doing this. Let's put this back because I really like when these are just like hanging loose on the side. I think it's very like a casual and cute touch to the bag. I thought these were purely like decorational, but it seems like they have a purpose. There's a lot going on. There are a lot of these like details plus like the handles. Okay, let's take a step back. I'm kind of like struggling here, but this is first impression, so it's very real. This is just me trying to figure out this bag. So you have two set of straps. One is this one, which you can carry like on the shoulder, like a shoulder bag. And I like that the opening is pretty big, so you can definitely wear this with like the chunkiest coat ever because there is a lot of space here. Then it also has these like shorter little handles, which you can use to carry it like this or in the crook of the arm, like so. And I love that. So this I liked. I don't mind that there is like a set of two handles because they're like very thin and dainty and it's just not bothering me. This bag is very casual looking. It's structured, but it's also very casual. So I really like these little like dangling pieces and different handles and stuff. I also liked these on the side. Like I think it's kind of like cute and just gives like more casual, very like undone vibe to the bag. But what I am not a fan of, I can tell you right away, is the fact that the smaller size, I don't know, there's a lot going on for a smaller size. I think if I would have been a designer of this bag, I would have made this mini one just a tad bigger because I think this is, because you know sometimes like when they try to make big bags small or other way around, it doesn't really work because the original design of the bag was meant for a certain size. So this bag seems like it has been designed for a larger bag and then they just made it smaller but without many adjustments. So that's like my first impression. I would maybe make it a little bit bigger. So let me close this so I can talk properly. Probably you can't really tell what I am saying like this, just looking at it on camera, but I can tell like in person now that I have it in my hands. Like, for example, these corners, they're like going naturally inwards. So in order to keep them out, you really need to like press and use this magnet over here to keep it closed. And the magnet is very, very loose. So you see, like I don't need any effort to open it. So I guess like when you put your stuff inside, it's naturally going to be open, and then this is gonna go inward inevitably. So yeah, like in order to have this shape of the bag, I would probably have to keep like the contents to a minimum so it doesn't like stretch out and it can stay in this shape. Maybe over time with more wear, it's gonna like maintain this shape. I don't know, but I feel like when the bag is bigger, there is a lot more space, and it's easier to look more slouchy, because this bag is supposed to look a little more like slouchy and worn and casual, and in this smaller size it kind of loses that ability. But I think that's just inevitable when you, again, when you try to make a big bag a smaller one without making any adjustments to the design or the fabric. Let's talk about the good stuff. I love the leather. The color is exactly what I expected, exactly how it looks on pictures. It's not a disappointment. I love Polene leather, the finish they use, like this like pebbled, very durable, very like sturdy leather, but still lightweight and soft, which is kind of like not an easy thing to achieve. So I am always impressed with their leathers, and this one is not any different. Love that. I'm also obsessed with the contrast stitching, like the white stitching. It's so pretty, and yeah, overall I just love how this bag looks and feels. It feels so much more expensive and just cool and chic, and I am very happy that I got it. Do I regret not getting it in a bigger size? Maybe. I think I do, but now what's done is done, because the bigger one is sold out, and this one I had to wait for like almost 2 months. I think they make them as you order, so I had to wait for this one for like 2 months, and now it says already on the website that the bigger one is sold out, so you cannot even order it. So yeah, this is it. I'm not gonna return this one. I actually really like it. Now let's do a little test of like what can fit inside. It's pretty big. I think a lot can fit, but I just want to see if I can fit my iPad. I certainly cannot fit my laptop because it's huge. I have like a 16-inch laptop, so this will not be enough, but let's see if my iPad fits inside. Let's see, is this gonna work? Oh, you guys, I had a hunch, and I hate when I am right, like in the negative way. So it fits. You see what I'm saying? Like this already went in. I want you out like this. Can I just like, I think I'll have to store it with the magnets like this so it bends and gets this shape finally, because I just really want this shape. But yeah, it fits my iPad. But another thing that I just realized putting my iPad in, it is an open, like big open space type of a bag, but you see these things inside, because of this shape and like how this is like, you see the design, how the leather goes in here, which is very pretty. This is very like Polene, kind of like their signature. You see the corners, how they are pointing inwards, because that's like where the leather is folded. Well, these corners are very firm, and you really lose a lot of space because it makes the bag like very irregularly shaped inside. So it's not like a regular tote where you have a lot of like leverage. Probably if you put like a small individual items, it would be fine because you can literally toss anything inside. It's just like a big space. But if you have like a makeup bag or an iPad or even like a water bottle, I feel like because of these little corners, so you can see when I put my iPad, can you even see, like I'm trying my best to show you because there's not enough light, but I think you can tell that it has to stay like here in the center, otherwise like there's no space because of these corners. So when I put my iPad, it kind of acts like a divider of the whole space. So I don't know like how much and what else I can fit in next to the iPad. And that is, in my opinion, not really ideal because for today's standards, this is still like a large bag, and I would expect that I could fit more stuff in it. I always carry my camera with me and like my little makeup bag, a bunch of stuff. It's definitely not a big deal, and there is still a lot of space. I can surely put like a water bottle, but probably not something too big, which is fine. I think a lot can fit in here. We're gonna do like what fits in the bag another time when I have more stuff with me here, because now I will need to go and collect everything and I wanna finish my coffee. So we're gonna do like a proper wear test review after like a couple of wears and using the bag, so I can give you a proper opinion. First impression, I think I should have probably ordered a bigger one for what I plan to use this bag. I absolutely love how it looks in this size though, so looks wise I am very happy with it. Practicality wise, I think for my needs and for the big camera that I have that I like to bring with me, I probably should have gone for the regular, like a larger size, but I am obsessed how this bag looks. It's probably gonna become like my favorite day-to-day casual bag. I can tell you that right away because I am obsessed with the color. So yeah, super happy. You have to check out Polene bags anyways if you're looking for good, affordable, very like nice designer looking bags. Polene is where it's at. So yeah, I would still definitely highly recommend them, but maybe just this specific one was not my best purchase in sense of like what I wanted this bag to do for me. I'm like so stressing out about why it doesn't want to stay this shape, because like you see, like as soon as these magnets go open, it kind of naturally starts going in and then it becomes, are you gonna stay like this? This is how I want you to be. Maybe I need to press it. I think I'll need to like press it. I think I'll just need to give it some time for it to take this shape, because also when it came, it was stored the other way around, like these corners were inside. So I think it just was like, you know, pressed that way. I probably just need to give it some time, let it rest like this, and then it's gonna stay more of this like trapeze shape that I'm obsessed with. Love it. Love the bag. Really nice purchase. Still highly recommend, and I don't think there is time, but this would have been a great gift for the holidays. Otherwise, just order it for yourself for spring and summer, because it's also like a beautiful spring summer bag. The color is like universally nice for all seasons. That's why I love this one so much, because it's like really nice for fall, winter, but also summer. Like there's nothing like this camel tan color for spring and summer with whites and like nice summer dresses. And yeah, love it.